Salvador Technologies offers a new standard in operational continuity and cyber attack recovery. The recovery solution is based on air-gapped technology and includes a recovery unit, an agent software, and a monitoring system. For installation, plug the unit into your end computer to enable charging and data transfer. Then, install the Salvador Agent Software on your computer. Press the Recovery and Configure buttons simultaneously and hold for 5 seconds. Default is set for daily backup. If you wish to reconfigure it, press the Configure button and hold it for 3 seconds. The installation is easy, less than 1 minute of installation. It includes the source disk you wish to back up, the frequency required, and additional personalized settings. While working, the backup process will launch automatically for the entire disk, including the operating system, drivers, and critical data. The monitoring system will enable full visibility of backup status on each endpoint. In case of a cyber attack or any computer malfunction, use a 3-step action. No IT knowledge is needed. First, shut down your computer. Then, press and hold the recovery button on the unit. You can select the recovery version for booting by pressing the Configure button. Hold it for 3 seconds. On your computer, select the booting from the Salvador disk to continue working. 30 seconds and you're back on track. While you continue working from Salvador Technologies' recovery unit, the agent software detects the damaged disk and will offer you to restore and recover the original disk. Press Confirm. The restoring process will start and will be completed while you're working. Then, shut down the computer, press the recovery button, and reboot your computer. Operational continuity is guaranteed with a user-friendly solution by Salvador Technologies.